In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D model in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to feed Gemini the right inputs, craft a clear prompt, submit it, and let the app do the heavy lifting. Make sure you've opened the Windows app and you're connected to a stable internet connection so generation runs smoothly. To get started, look for the plus icon inside the app. This is your gateway for bringing in any supporting material. Click the plus sign to upload useful assets such as reference images, quick sketches, or concept boards that show the shape, proportions, materials, or style you're aiming for. The clearer your references, the easier it is for Gemini to understand what to generate. If you're adding multiple images, try to keep lighting and angles consistent, and use high-quality files that aren't excessively large. This helps the app parse details faster and with better accuracy. Next, you'll write your prompt. Think of this as the blueprint for your 3D result. Be specific about the object or character, the overall style, the materials and surface details, the scale, and the mood you want. If lighting matters, describe it. Studio lighting, soft highlights, deep shadows, or moody contrast. If color is important, name the dominant palette and any key accents. You can also include context like hyper-realistic, cinematic, or fantasy art, if that matches your vision. The goal is to balance detail with clarity. Enough description to guide Gemini precisely, without conflicting instructions that might confuse it. If you uploaded references, mention how you want Gemini to use them, like matching textures, borrowing a silhouette, or following a color scheme. Once your prompt looks solid, press Enter to submit it. You can also use the on-screen send control, but a single enter is all it takes. Avoid hitting Enter repeatedly. One clean submission prevents duplicates and keeps your session tidy. Now wait for a while as Gemini processes your request. Generation time can vary depending on complexity, the size of your uploads, and current server load. You'll typically see progress indicators or activity in the thread. While it's working, keep the app in focus, avoid heavy multitasking, and make sure your device doesn't go to sleep. This helps maintain a stable connection and consistent performance. That's it. Upload helpful references, craft a precise prompt, press Enter, and give Gemini a moment to render. If the first output isn't exactly what you envisioned, refine your wording, adjust details like materials or lighting, and try again. With a few iterations, you'll land on a 3D result that matches your creative direction,